My name is Charlotte Stevens. I am the Director of Curriculum at the Junior School for Waverley College. We are a 5 to 12 all-boys Catholic school in the eastern suburbs of Sydney. And I'm also a Year 5 teacher, so I teach 26 10 to 11-year-old boys every day. We were really noticing that writing was an area that we needed to target. We obviously are 5 to 12, which is a unique context. We're covering multiple stages. So for Writer's Toolbox, something that really appealed to us is we felt that it was really applicable for all contexts. In a Year 5 context, we definitely use it in conjunction with our English program to support the development of their writing, their sentence structure, their grammar, and really just improving the quality of the writing that we're getting overall. But, in our high school context, they are able to also use that in business studies, in science, to improve their investigation write-ups, to improve their paragraph structures, and really lock into those literacy skills that they really require to achieve highly in the HSC. From a staff perspective, we found that the professional development that we received from Writer's Toolbox really helped us to utilise all the functions of the program to their best ability. And I think when you have motivated staff who see the benefit, then it feeds into the students as well. So I think all around, the real initial sign that it was something that we wanted to continue with and we could see the benefit from was in the enthusiasm of our staff and our students.